We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country in Asia. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing country names too many people mispronounce. So in Central Asia it is located. Let's break down how to pronounce it. 3 syllables, and then we'll talk about the stress. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Now, there are 2 slightly different ways of pronouncing it. In British English in the UK, they tend to stress on the last stan syllable and say it as Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Now, in the US, it's the other way around. They tend to emphasize a little bit more on the first syllable, Kazakhstan. But essentially, you want to stress a bit on the first and the last syllables. But you can stress a little bit more on the beginning or a little bit more at the end. Up to you. Kazakhstan or Kazakhstan. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.